caramel
Wow.
cheesecake.
Ooh, these are good. I ain't gonna lie. Costco. We're here at Costco, guys, getting some snacks, getting some food. Check out the fresh bakeries. Who's ready for Valentine's?
Yes, that's good.
I definitely want some of these. I love me some chocolate strawberries. Not ready? 4 more minutes? And this is where all the magic happens, boys and girls. Man, these chickens are way bigger. These rotisseries are really big than the ones from HEB, I think. They look delicious, guys. So here at Costco's, they have some ribs. Wow, I wouldn't mind buying a fucking thing of ribs right now, actually. Here's the rotisseries, guys. These are just huge. Wow, these are actually really huge. What is this?
It's macaroon.
Macaroon. And sour tofu. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Qué es? Oh, para el hydration.
Hold on.
Electrolytes.
Would you be able to?
Cheers, guys. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. Should I try one?
Get a strawberry
peach.
watermelon.
I
Peach.
like that.
Let me try it.
Peach.
I like
It's good.
I have one, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, cheers.
¿Tiene mucho sugar? Oh, no, nada de sugar. Nada. Yeah. This is silk milk.
that Mimi boy. That's it.
Try it out. Chug it. Cheers. Just picked up our gold stars.